so beautiful.
Good.
Brendan, yeah, Jason, I know your piece.
Yeah, you're the one.
I'm whacking.
Totally.
Whoa! Brendan, it's our home country.
We should go over to the fairgrounds and watch it.
Oh my gosh.
Weak.
No, yeah, that one wasn't good.
Weak.
Duds.
We want big bombs.
Ricky, shut up.
Well, that's Brendan's specialty, right, Brendan?
Oh,
that was nice. The bombs bursting.
Joe, we
gave proof through the night.
Joe, you suck at singing.
That our flag was still there. Dude, we have like the same recording too.
Okay, that is not my
Look,
something that
same exact song. She's so funny.
What?
She's so funny.
Who? Susie?
Yeah.
Wait, what's they're not even dating.
I know, I'm saying that.
Now she was flirting with me too.
I know. Mostly Brendan.
Not even.
I'm saying Brendan is not, but she is. Ricky! I love you! I love you, Joe! Want a kiss?
Shut up!
Want a kiss under the fireworks?
Shut up!
Ricky, you want a big kiss?
Shut up, Joe!
Fat kiss.
Your ass are going in my head right now. I can't feel
Oh yeah!
Ricky, be quiet. Yeah, Ricky, be quiet.
Oh yeah!
Dude, let's just be friends here, seriously. It's not a time for arguments. This is our country, okay? We're United Nations, Joe!
There you go. You're on my path.
Yes, it should
be.
This is our country. You know, it's so colorful because we have a lot of different kinds of people here.
Hey! It's not orange, bro. Hey, taste the rainbow.
Yellow, black, white.
Wait, this is a moment when everyone thinks it's over.
I know, and then it gets like a freaking.
Oh yeah!
Come on! That's not
Ricky,
it's like I'm a mute. Oh my god. Oh, you probably could.
Sorry, people, that's over.
No, it's not. Yeah, that's true.
David! Yeah! You can have it. Here. It's all
That was loud.
No shit, Joe.
I'm saying that one was extra loud. That one's extra loud. Look at all those big.
I don't think so. That one was like, wow. It's better. It was like my ex-girlfriend.
Woo!
America.
Ow!
I love those ones. Those ones are like extra loud.
Extra loud. These fire.
That's what she said.
That's what you said.
That's what it is.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, the boy. Jeez. I love those ones. They're gonna like come right at you. I love them.
That's what she said.
Oh my
That
god.
was cool.
I like the ones that like go like way like that. Like no wait. Those ones. Oh my god, I love
You have no
those.
idea how badly I'm gonna come. Good. Write my name. Like, go for some.
Dude, it's already going like past 5 minutes.
What? Go for some.
Mine's 5:27.
Mine's like 5:23. It'll take forever to upload too.
Not really.
On my internet.
Guys, should run.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, dude, I love those. They're gonna kill you. Brendan,
No,
we're under attack.
Guys, everyone's quiet. It's gotta be like after a dramatic scene and everyone's quiet.
Go,
And
go.
then right
God bless America!
yeah!
Go, Riley.
Damn!
Ah,
My Tourette's!
My foot!
hey, how's I know. You're getting hard.
Yeah, thank you.
God bless America.
Ricky, it's not funny when you do it.
It's already done. Exactly.
Hey, move your head.
I've been shot!
You're in my view.
Good.
You gotta stop now. Be mature, though.
Joe, you want to talk?
I am one to
My
talk.
hands are really
It's getting hard.
Those are,